Yes guys, gumawa ko ng crepe for the lumpiang sariwa. Dahil today is Black Saturday, gagawa tayo ng lumpiang sariwa. Ito na yung finished product niya guys. Dough heat lang siya guys. Actually, hindi pa siya talagang perfect kasi tayo ay first time cooking lang siya guys.